If this found you on November 28th, then this message is for you. There is something beautiful getting ready to manifest into your life. And I'm going to give you some signs and synchronicities to show that this really is for you. Ooh, the light just turned off. That's like spooky timing, right? Okay, let's get into the message. I keep saying 27, so 27 could be significant for you in some way. I'm also feeling like there's a lot of protection around you. So you might be noticing that things are just working out in your favor, or things that you should have, like, it's the kind of energy where it's like, let's say you get pulled over by a cop, and then they let you off, like you don't get a ticket even though you were in the wrong. That's the kind of energy. It's like you're very protected right now. I'm seeing the 9 of Pentacles. It's in the reverse, but look what's on the back of that. We have the Ace of Pentacles. You know, aces are about new beginnings. Pentacles are about the material world. So this is here to stay. This is like staying for you. This is solid. Also, it came, 2 Pentacle cards came out for you. So with the 9 of Pentacles, a lot of earth energy. So I'm talking about the zodiac signs here. So I'm talking Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. You could be one of those earth signs, or this could be coming into your life in the next earth season. So the next earth season we're going into from when I'm filming this is Capricorn season, which is January and end of December. Okay, but of course this applies to when you're seeing it. This is a timeless reading, so if you happen to see this, in the summertime, then perhaps Virgo season is the next season for you, and so on and so forth. But let's see here. We have one more card, and it is the 5 of Swords. Okay, this has been a long time coming. I feel like you have had things happen in your life in the past where it's like you've had this like sense of betrayal. And just know that the universe was pulling away everything that was not meant for you to open up this pathway for what is meant for you. So I feel like all that heartache, all that hurt, all that contrast you experienced, it's over with, it's done with. It served its purpose, and now the universe has heard you crystal clear what you're wanting, because when we know what we don't want, it helps us know what we do want. So now that we know what we want, the universe has prepared this beautiful vortex of energy with everything that you want in it. And now that everything that doesn't serve you is out of the way, you're a vibrational match to it. So follow the synchronicities, follow the guidance that you're getting, the hunches, the intuitive nudges. Follow those to help you get to where you're supposed to be. It's going to manifest for you, I promise. So if this found you, let me know if it resonates. And go check out my TikTok shop, because I have my sweatshirts, my t-shirts, and my tarot cards in there. And when they're all sold out, they're gone. So I'm not going to get any more. It'd make a great Christmas gift, though, with the holidays coming up. Don't wait, because when they're sold out, they're gone. Also, with shipping, we want to get those in time, right? So don't sit on that, okay? But anyways, that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys next time.